Hey guys, it's Susan. I want to show you something that I just made yesterday. I made this bracelet. This is made out of memory wire and pearls. And then I made this bracelet. This is also made out of memory wire. And I've got 3 little pearls in the middle with some crystals on the side. So I want to show you how to make this one. And I'll make this one in another video. So let's get started with this one. Okay, let me tell you the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a couple of tubes, and these are 2 inches. You're going to need some beads. We've got 4 gold beads. We're going to need some crystals. I need just 2, so I need 2 white ones. I need my memory wire, and I cut my memory wire so it overlaps like this. So the end is here and this end is here, because this is going to be the bottom of the bracelet, and I need ample room here to put my tubing. And this is the top of the bracelet. So we're going to need that. And then we're going to need some pearls. I'm using 3. These are like a blush pink, and they are drilled 2.5 millimeters. I'm also going to need 2 pieces of twisted tubing, and these are 1 inch a piece. Okay, let's get started. I've got all my supplies, and what I need, first of all, to cut my memory wire is I need my memory wire cutters. And then to roll my loops on my memory wire, I need some round nose pliers. This also comes in handy if you want to grip the wire to put your beads and stuff on. This is nylon jaw pliers. What I'm going to do first is use my round nose pliers, and I'm going to roll a loop on one end of my bracelet. So just use my round nose pliers and go around until my loop touches, like that. Then I'm going to add one of my short tubes on. This is the 1 inch tube, and I'm going to push it all the way down to the end, like that. And then checking with my bracelet, I'm seeing that I actually have 2 beads here at the bottom. So I'm going to add 2 beads. These are tiny beads. Put those down at the bottom like that. Then I'm going to add my large 2 inch tube. Bring that all the way down to the bottom, like that. I'm going to add a spacer bead, a crystal, another bead, and then I'm going to add my 3 pearls. So that's so pretty. So now we have the top of our bracelet. I'm going to add my gold bead, my crystal, gold bead, my bar, continue on with my small tubing. Oh no, not that. Not the tubing yet. I need to add 2 gold beads. Then I add my small tubing, and then we look and see what it looks like. And this is sometimes what you need your nylon pliers for, to help hold the wire so you can push that on. Okay, then I'm going to check my placement, make sure that I have everything and it looks good. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this down so I can turn my loop. So I think this is good. Maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, cut that. And then I'm going to go ahead and roll it. I'm going to roll it in. Make the loop in. So it touches. And there we have our pretty bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give this bracelet a try. It's really easy to make and it's so pretty on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.